Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you to log into ADP employee account. Watch this video till the end. If you're new to our channel, subscribe our channel and tap bell icon so that you won't miss any upcoming videos of our channel. Now in order to log in, open any web browser on your PC. Type in adp.com on your search bar and tap enter on your keyboard. After that, you will head it to its official website. Now click on sign in button at the right top corner of the page. Now in another page, pick the option that describes you the best and tap on next. After that, you will land it to its login page. Now enter your user ID in the text box. In case you can't remember your user ID, click on Forget your user ID to recover your user ID. You can tick Remember User ID if you want to be remembered by the device whenever you visit this website in future. Now tap on Next. After that, password box will appear on the screen. Type your account password correctly. If you are a new user, you can create an account by clicking on Create Account link. Now after entering all the details correctly, tap on Sign In to get logged in to your account. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. Click on bell icon so that you won't miss any upcoming videos. I will be back with more videos. Keep watching.